So in last video I have told you that I will try to build API for file uploading in this video. So till now we will discuss at what extent we have developed our API. So I just wrote API for saving the post and fetching the all videos and the get mapping by ID. So in this video I am going to create one model for uploading the file. So I will create model in details. Yeah, this is the model. I will remove this. I will create a private string video file name. I will generate getter and setter using logbook. All arguments constructor. No arguments constructor. Yeah, so our model is ready now. I will create one file interface in our service package. File service. So this should be, yeah, it should be interface obviously. Interface. And I will create two methods here, one for uploading the file, one for serving the file using API. So I will use file model. I will import that file model here. I will write upload video. I'll give the exact string path of the video, and obviously we are going uploading multi-part. It means it should be a multi-part file. Multi-part file. Make sure you are importing from correct package. This should be, and I will throw if file is not the correct IO exception. Only file only. Yeah, IO exception. This is my one method for uploading the file, and one more I will write input stream. Input stream nothing but it will convert our incoming input into the bytes. Get resource. So this is the method name only. I can rename this as get video file. Otherwise you will get confused what is the get resource. So how could we serve the file? We should know where exact path of that file. So this is going to be path, and what is the file name in that part, what is the exact file name. So it should be a string obviously, file name, and the integer, that video ID, int ID. Yeah, that's enough. Throws if file is not found, I will throw the file not found exception. String file name, this error is coming, th out throws file not found exception. Yeah, it's good. Now I will create one more class here where I will implement these methods. Class file service implementation implements. Yeah, so our class is ready now. I will remove this no arguments constructor. I will implements file service class. Yeah, so here it's showing add unimplemented method, so I will add unimplemented method. I will put it down for some time. I will remove this. So here the two thing is the important that the path, how to generate the path where we want to create the directory in our services. And this is the, obviously it's a multi-part file, and I will give some good name like file. Here also I will rename that file. Yeah, sounds good. Now here I will start with how to create the directory first, then I will save the file. And I want to say I'm using here file model. It means I will set the name here from getting from the exact path. We'll see how to do exactly. File model. I will create one object of that file model. Yeah, I will try to fetch the original file name. It means suppose I'm uploading a video file, its name is a big name, but I want to suppress the name and I want to give some user defined name. It means when we are going to upload, it should give some unique name, so it should not make conflicts while uploading the file, or file already exists, file not found, or something errors. So in order to overcome from those errors, I will give a random name, random unique ID for those files. So I will do here only that string file name equal to file dot get. First I am fetching the file original name here, then I will write in comment trying to generate random name and unique. Yeah, so I will give a string random id equal to uuid dot, yeah, this dot to string. So it will help us to generate the random unique ID for us. I will give here final name will be random ID dot, I will concatenate the string. It means it will going to find some substring and then dot and dot mp4 file, because I want to save every file as mp4 only. So it will take the exact file name first and it will change into random unique id, then it will give one extension dot mp4 file. So you see here that file name dot substring file name dot index of, here I'm going to give that dot. Yeah, that's it. Now I will give the file full path will be string file path, that is the path, our this path, and plus file separator, file dot separator path plus, I will have to import this from java.io plus separator, and the plus final name of the final name, it means the random name, random id which we are generating final name. Yeah, that's it. Now we have successfully generated our exact file name. Now we have to create one directory where exactly to save this file. So I will move to some creation of the directory, creating directory, yeah, to save file. Yeah, so I will use java.io file f equal to, I'm creating an object of the java.io file, and I will give the path. Okay, Now what I will do, I will create one directory. If directory exists, then save that file in the that directory, and if not exist, please create for me. So if dot exists, that is the boolean, then I will create, I won't create the directory mk. So hope you are aware of that mkdir making directories. It's a Linux command to creating the file. Otherwise just save it where we want to save. Files dot copy file dot input stream, and here what I have to give, actually I will show you one thing. Files dot copy, here it's taking path, means where that file is coming from, that the input file, and actually where to store that file, that is our file path. So it is the output stream where we have to save the file. So that is paths dot get file path. Yeah. Now file model, file model dot set, I have created that video file name. I will set that as a final name. It is the final name. Why I am final taking here final name is because see, the final name is exact what we are generating, and this is the file path where we are storing, but we don't want to store the whole path. It means if it is storing in the some source desktop something, we are not going to store the whole path. I just want to the store in database the only file name which we are generating from backend, and it should be unique. When I will upload the video, I will show you when I will test the API, and I will return this, simply return file model. Yeah, that's it. I will format the code once. Yeah, so this is our code for uploading the file. Now this is for serving the file. I will create, I have created one interface already, so I will write string full path of where the file is exactly stored. Full path equal to path dot file separator, that is the path. Okay, string file name. I have to concatenate the file separator. Now this separator, and the one more is this path means where the our system file path or storage, and this will separate the line, and then we are taking the file name, that file name. Yeah, that's it. Now I will create from input stream, I will try to sum the file. Input stream equal to input stream equal to new file input stream, and I will give that path here. Yeah, that's it, and I will simply return the input stream. Yeah, that's it. So before moving into controller, I have to do some configuration here for uploading the file. So I will comment and write multipath properties for files. Yeah. So here I want to give some threshold value. It means this should be the file size, threshold file size. It means it should not less than the that size. So I will give a spring dot multi part. See, this is the file threshold, and I will give equal to 2 KB. 2 KB, make sure it's you write like in capital KB. So it's telling what spring dot servlet dot multipart dot file size threshold. Yeah, it's okay. Oh, it's showing the error. Okay, somewhere it's telling it's duplicate. Okay, yeah, I have already configured these things, I think, because that's why it's telling the error, showing the error. So I'll remove this thing and I will explain what is this properties actual means. Yeah, so you can see it is the multipart enable. It means it should accept the multipart files, and the file threshold is 2 KB and the file max size is 200 MB. That's it, and this is the main thing which I am going to use in my controller as well. So this is the project dot video. I will use a Spring expression language. This is the actually I'm giving, I want to create this folder like videos. So this video files will folder will create inside our packet, our project only. I will show you at the time of uploading. So make sure I'm creating this for using in my controller. So I will move to my controller first. I will save this and I will move to my controller, video controller. Yeah, yes. So first I will write for post mapping, and there I will pass some post slash. I want to post by video ID, so I will give in path variable I will give my ID also. Yeah, I will comment there API for uploading video after posting titles and other video file fields. So I will write public and the video entity. I will return this all object uploading video, and in the path variable two things I will have to pass. One is our ID and one is our multipart file that is. So I will write at the rate of request parameter. I will give some video, and in multi-part request I will give video only, and after that I will pass my integer that is video ID, nothing but. So, and if I will throw handle exception also because it's a file, we should know what actually happening there. I will throws IO exception only. Yeah. After that I will write video entity equal to service dot think this is not service, I am using video service. So what I will do here is first I will try to get the whether that video ID is exist or not. So I will write dot get by ID. Yeah, if it exists, then I will move forward to uploading the video for that ID. So I checked already this file model. Yeah, file model. So here exactly what I'm going to upload the video in the file model. I will save the file name here. That's so I should auto wire the file service as well here. And the rate of auto wire pivot file service. Yeah, private file service. So now I can use this file service here. Dot upload video. It's showing null, but we have to give here video, and here it will be our ID. Yeah, why it's showing error? It's showing string path and the multi-part file. Okay, yeah, I will remove this here. Path should be path, and here it should be video. It's showing path is nothing but I have told you that here I mentioned this in application.proper. This path he is asking. So how to use this path in our controller? I will show you. I will go to the controller, and here I will use a string expression language. I will annotate at the rate of value annotation, so it will give that value, and here I will use and project.value because in application.property I took project dot value. Is it project dot value or yeah, project dot video? So make sure you are writing the same thing here also, so it could scan those values. Yeah, project dot video, and then here I will write private string the path of the video. Now I think error should go. Yeah, error went. Now we dot set. Okay, this I have to set the here I am getting the name of the video exactly what we are trying to fetch, and we have to set the name in database also. So I will hit v dot set video name and file model dot get video name. Yeah, it will save the video. I will show you in a postman video entity video service dot update post, and the here v and the id. Yeah, okay, with that id we are going to return this only. So I will return this finally uploaded video. It means here it's telling that finally we are uploaded the video. We uploaded the video. Yeah, I will save this, and now I will write API for serving the video file in the our UI. So I will write get mapping. I will here pass slash play slash with video ID public. I will write void because I don't want to return anything here. We just want to play the video. We don't want to see any object in response. So play video. In path variable I will have to send two things. One is the integer ID, and that video file as a response. It should return some response as well. So I will write the path variable, that is integer teacher id, comma, in servlet response I will get this. Here this we have to import here, and the response. And the response, yeah, we are getting the response, we are returning time the void. So with that, how to fetch that the file, it's the matters here. So first we have to find by id whether the video exists by this id or not. So I will use optional video entity. It's not showing anything here. Okay, I have to import optional from util first. Where is optional? Yeah, this util. Then I will have video entity. I will use the same method which I have created, get by id video. It's showing error. Okay, I didn't wire auto wire the repository, I think. Okay, I will auto wire the repository here. Alternate of auto wire. Wait, video repository. Yes, now I will use this repository here. Dot find by id. Yeah, this, because I'm using optional, that's why it's not throwing the error here. I can, if I will remove, you can see the error will come. Control Z. Now I will use input stream. In this stream only byte, in video we are fetching in byte format, it's not in a string or some format. So I will use input stream to serving the byte files. Input stream is enough. Yeah, java.io, and the resource file service, I will use file service dot, I have given the name get video file, so I will use this get video file. It's asking the path, which is okay, and it's asking the video file name because we have given there 3 parameters to serving the file. See here, in one is the path and the file name and the video id. So I will give those 3 things here. First path I given, and I will give the video name video dot get video name. Yeah, this video name, and the integer will be our id. Showing the error. Okay, yeah, in place of file not found exception I will throw IO exception only. It's good to have IO exception only here. And the response I will send the set content type. Set content type is path only. In path, what is the value I am getting is that is multi-part video file. Multi-part video file, its media type should be MP4. Media type should be media type dot all set content type dot all values. So it's showing some error. Have to find why it's error is showing. Here I will give the produces. What's the actual error response? Okay, I will see this, and the stream utils dot copy the same file in the byte stream dot resource, and here it is response dot get output stream output stream. Yes, here we completed our APIs for video uploading and the video. So resources here. Okay, why it's showing the error? I will check that. Just wait. So finally we have created our all the API, necessary API. Here we were getting the media type dot all value error because I have imported this media type from a stream, not from a Spring framework. I imported from another resource. That's what I was getting the error. So make sure all the imports you have import correctly. Otherwise you will face error. If you're facing error, please drop the comments in the comment box. So I will try to execute those query. I will rerun the services first. So it's time to test the API for uploading the video functionality. So I will go to Postman, and I will one by one I will first I will post the video, and I will try to retrieve the video. So here this is the API post and ID by video ID. I will copy the, I will see. Okay, so we have ID 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So first of all I will try to post for ID 11. This the video name is mp4 test. It should replace with the real video name. So I will go to the Postman. I have created my collections, upload video, it's already there. Make sure in the form data you have choosing the file and the video. Why video? Because in request parameter we are passing here video. That's why we should take that video here only, and I will choose some video file here. I will use Justin Bieber, some any video, and I will open it, and I will change the ID here. It's 11. It should be 11. I will send. So it's showing some error as what error? File already exists. Okay. Wait. What's happening here is I think we have this file already. So I will delete all the file. Cancel it. I will go there. This project I don't need. This also I don't need. Okay, cancel it. I'll select some other video files here because this file is I think already exists, that's why it's not working. I will open. I will send it. Yeah, we can see our video is uploaded, and for ID 11 I have uploaded that. So in database we can see that it was mp4 before. It was some mp4 file. Now it's become, yeah, you can see the name here. And what if we want to try to retrieve this video? It means we want to play this video. So I will go here, I will copy this play and the ID. Okay, I will go to the get play video. I will pass that ID 11. I will send it.